really see. It's been a pretty breezy day, as you can see from Crossville right now. Rain is starting to move out at least a little bit for us, a little bit of a break. No thunder across East Tennessee, just a few areas of drizzle across the Smokies. Here's our cold front, very slowly moving across northwest to southeast. A few storms well to our west, northern Alabama into middle Tennessee. That's our next round that we'll see really later this afternoon into the evening. So 1, 2, 3 o'clock, most of us are dry, but by 3 you see at least a few showers and storms starting to move back in by about 3, 4 o'clock, especially west of I-75. Evening commute does look to be a pretty wet, messy one, 5, 6 o'clock. Even a few of those reds to pinks, that's going to be your heaviest downpours. Very low in severe weather threat. As we said yesterday, if we saw the sun, severe weather threat goes up. It's been a pretty dreary, cloudy day, and that's why our severe weather threat is lower. 8 o'clock, still at least a few rain showers and rumbles, especially south of I-40. So low in severe weather risk. Again, gusty winds going to be the main threat. I think it's extremely minimal here in East Tennessee. A little bit better opportunity for severe weather south of Tennessee, Mississippi, and Alabama, and that level 3 out of 5 risk, or a medium severe weather risk. We'll struggle to get to 70 in many spots because we don't see the sunshine. Only 68, Oneida to Crossville, 75, Tellico Plains to Gatlinburg, 74 in the Knoxville area, and it will be pretty breezy and dreary. So at least a little bit of a break as we head towards really sundown and just after, but then rounds of some light showers overnight tonight. Will continue drizzle, light showers. Don't think we see much in the way of thunder once we get past about 11 or midnight. Here's 4 o'clock in the morning. So early Thursday morning, at least some of us could still see a few light showers. There's 7 o'clock. I think most of it's going to remain south of I-40 by the time we get past about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. And that's where our higher rain totals are as well. Not seeing much of a flooding threat. We've only seen about half an inch or so. That's about my forecast for additional rain later this afternoon into tonight. Maybe some isolated 1-inch totals. Monroe, Sevier County, same for Blount County. That would be about the max we see. North of I-40, it's going to be tough to get more than about a quarter to maybe an isolated half-inch amount. That's really about it. Some soaking rain that we've definitely been needing. That is in store for us the rest of the day into tonight. Tomorrow, much cooler, only mid to upper 60s, and we'll dry out again by about lunchtime or so. Just a few areas of drizzle later morning towards lunchtime across the Smokies. Much cooler, 70 for a high in Loudon, Kingston, 65, Oneida to only 68 in the Sneedville area. We'll start to warm things up. A fantastic day for your Friday, bright sunny skies, low 70s. So there's the moisture that we're seeing right now. That will push off towards our southeast. Very dry air in place really late tomorrow, Friday and Saturday. But then by the time we get into Sunday, it does look like we see a lot more moisture building, which means Mother's Day could be a little bit soggy. Looks like more afternoon into the evening hours the way it looks now, but Saturday should be a fantastic day. Mid to upper 70s, no rain expected, bright sunny skies. Advertised 76, and we're definitely cooler than that today. Keep in mind that we'll have rain and rumbles for the rest of the day into tonight before we dry things out early tomorrow morning soon.
All right, thank you.